Hello everyone, heartiest welcome to online classes of Saraswati English Academy Bhadrajun. This is our class 8th subject maths and our exercise number 4.4 and I am going to take question number first and part second. Actually when our question number first starts, there is an instruction for us which is construct the following quadrilaterals. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Okay, we have to construct the quadrilaterals given in according to the given data in our part first and second. Actually our part first was your homework. Okay, you have to do that yourself. Okay, I am going to take our part second, or the questions that I have not solved in first part or in the very previous video are taken to be as your homework. Okay, you just try to solve them, because from the very beginning of this chapter I have tried all the ideas and all the things, all the concepts, so that you will catch everything, each and everything very clearly. Okay, so I think now you are able to do that type of questions which I have just left for you as a homework, HW. Okay, and now I am taking your question number first and part second, which is question number first and part second is what? Quadrilateral TRUE. Quadrilateral what? Quadrilateral TRUE, quadrilateral TRUE, and our given data is TR equals to 3.5 centimeter, and our RU is what? RU equals to 3 centimeter, UE equals to 4 centimeter, angle R is 75 degree, and our angle U is 120 degree. Angle U is 120 degree. Oh, good. Let us move towards solving this sum. First we will make a rough figure according to the given data. Okay, we will use the data for making a rough figure, which is what? Listen, this is our quadrilateral TRUE. This is our quadrilateral TRUE, whose TR is given, RU is given. So I am taking this side as our TR. Okay, this is T, this is R, this is U, and that's E. TRUE. TR is what? TR is 3.5 centimeter, and what RU is? RU is 3 centimeter. TR is 3.5 centimeter. RU is what? RU is 3 centimeter. UE is 4 centimeter. UE is 4 centimeter. Angle R is 75 degree. Angle R is 75 degree. This angle is of 75 degree, and angle U is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. Okay. Now for your convenience, I will just draw this side RU initially. Okay. All of first I will draw this side RU, because angle R and U both are given. And this is a fundamental rule for drawing any quadrilateral, or for drawing any what I can say, any construction like triangle, quadrilateral, or pentagon, hexagon, any type of figure which is required to be traced or to be drawn. This fact we should always remember, that the side which is inclined in between two angles must be drawn all of first, so that the whole construction will be convenient for us. Okay, so I will draw this side RU, which is of 3 centimeter. I am taking a scale, and now this is our RU. This is our RU. This is R, and this is U. This is U. Okay, and the length of this side is 3 centimeter. Got it? So what I will do is I will draw this angle R, which is of 75 degree, and this angle U, which is of 120 degree. Angle R of 75 degree and angle U of 120 degree. Angle R of what? angle R of 75 degree and angle U of 120 degree. Angle R is of 75 degree. Okay, this is 75 degree. So what we will do is we will first draw an angle of 90 degree. This is, and now this one also. This is an angle of 90 degree. Got it? Okay. Now what we will do is we will see we have to draw an angle of 75 degree, which will come in between the angle of 60 and 90. So we will just make half of this arc which is in between 60 and 90. Okay, so I am taking over here from this point. I will draw an arc, and from this point I will take another arc. Okay, now what we will do is this is our angle of 60 degree. Okay, and at U we have to draw an angle of 120 degree. So we will take, this is our initial arc, this is an angle of 60 and 60, and this is now 120. Okay, so I am taking a scale for making some clearly visible or some nice figures. This was our angle of what? 75 degree. Actually 75 degrees there. At R this is 75 degree. Okay, now what we will do is this is our another which is of 120 degree. This angle is of 120 degree. This angle is of 120 degree, 120 degree. Now what we will do is, listen, actually from U this distance is from R to T, this distance is 3.5 centimeter, and from U to E this distance is 4 centimeter. So from R we will take a distance of 3.5 centimeter as radius in our compass, and with center at point U we will make an arc. Okay, and same we will do for the point U. We will take a distance of 4 centimeter as radius and draw an arc. Okay, so I am going to just proceed. Listen, actually this is 3 centimeter. Okay, and we have to take an distance of 3.5, so this is approximately 3.5. okay, so this is an arc which is 3.5, and 3.5 this is our point T. Now what we will do is, listen, actually from point U this is 4 centimeter, and 4 centimeter point E is 4 centimeter. Okay, so from point U this is 4 centimeter. Okay, I hope now you all got it. This is 4 centimeter over here. Okay, so this point was T and this point was E. This point is E. Now what we will do is, listen, we will draw a line from this point to this point. We will make a line from this point to this point. Okay, this is our line from point T to point E. This is our line from point T to point E. Okay, now TRUE is our quadrilateral, required quadrilateral, and I hope there will be no problem for you to understand how I have drawn this figure. Okay, and I will repeat. Okay, just one time I will repeat for you also, for your better understanding. So listen, actually now one more time, we are given the data, construct the following quadrilaterals. Second one was quadrilateral TRUE. Okay, so TR is 3.5 centimeter, RU is 3 centimeter, UE is 4 centimeter, and what angle R is 75 degree and angle U is 120 degree. So listen, actually first we will draw this side. I have made a rough figure using this data which was given. Okay, so this is TRUE. now our TR is 6.5 centimeter, angle R is of 75 degree, angle U is of 120 degree, and this side is of 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter as given in our data. Okay, so first I am taking this side R, which is RU, so that actually this side is coming or occurring in between these two angles. Okay, that is why I have taken this side for drawing first. So this is RU, which is of 3 centimeter, and after that at point R I have drawn, or I have just made an angle of 75 degree, and at point U I have just made an angle of 120 degree. Okay, and after that this is up. Actually it is clearly visible that the point T is 3.5 centimeter apart from R. So the point T I have taken 3.5 centimeter apart, and for that I have taken a distance of 3.5 centimeter in our compass, and after that I have drawn an arc. Okay, same goes for this. From R to E, this is 4 centimeter distance in between U and E. So 4 cent. So I have drawn a distance of 4 centimeter over here, and I have just drawn a line for matching of T and U. Okay, this is a triangle TRUE. This is a required triangle TRUE. I hope now you have got each and everything very clearly. Okay, so for taking our next question, I am going to free up some space, and for that I am just rubbing this part. You just take a screenshot or write, okay, by pausing video or by doing backward or fast and forward. You have to write this on your rough notebook first, and after that you have to make neat and clean fair notebook. Okay, so that whenever you will get back to your school, we will check your homework and your classwork, which is just denoted, or you are just noting in your fair notebook this time. Okay, classwork means the work that you are doing in your fair notebook by following this type of questions or instructions given by your teacher through online mode. Okay, so this was our last question of exercise number 4.4. now I am moving towards exercise number 4.5, which is what? This is our exercise number 4.5. This is our exercise number 4.5. Exercise number 4.5. Draw the following. Draw the following. Draw the following. Okay, so our first one is what? Square READ with RE equals to 5.1 centimeter. The square READ, the square READ with RE equals to equals to 5.1 centimeter. Okay, so square READ with RE equals to 5. Actually we have to draw a square. Square READ means I am just going to READ, okay, with RE equals to 5.1 centimeter. Actually we have to draw a square, and as we know very well, in a square all sides of a square, okay, all sides of a square are equal, always equal. That is why this is a square which is READ. This is our square which is READ, READ, whose one side is of 5.1 centimeter. This side is of 5.1 centimeter. Got it? Now all the sides will be of the same measurement, 5.1. good point for us is that all the sides of a square are equal. So all the measurement of all the sides is 5.1 centimeter, and all the angles are of 90 degree only. This is 90, this is again 90, this is also 90, and in the end this is also 90 degree. All the angles are of equal measurement. Got it? So what we will do is we will go for drawing our quadrilateral, which is READ, read. Okay, so first and in this question no condition is there of which side we should draw first. We can take any of the side of this square for drawing all of first. Okay, because all are equal, no problem is there. All conditions for all sides are equal, same. Okay, so first I am going to draw this side, which is DA, and our DA is of 5.1 centimeter. This is our side DA, which is of 5.1 centimeter. This is our side DA, this is A, which is of 5.1 centimeter. 5.1 centimeter. Now what we will do, we will just make an angle of 90 degree over at D and at A also. This is 60, this is 120, this is 60, this is 120, and this is now 90. Okay, so what I have to do is, for making this angle of 90 degree, after making this angle of 90 degree, we have to make another angle of 90 degree over here at the point A. Okay, and for this what we will do is, okay, now what we will do is, all the sides of this quadrilateral is of measurement 5.1. so we will make an arc of measurement 5.1 from point D. This is our arc of measurement 5.1 up to over here from point A. This is again 5.1. okay, this point is what? This is D, this is A, this is R, this is E. Okay, this is R and that's E. And after that what we will do is, we will we will draw a line. This is our line RE, this is our line which is RE. Okay, now this is our quadrilateral READ, which is a square READ, or required square READ with side 5.1 centimeter. Make a note. Okay, now let us move towards our next part or next question, which is question number 2 of exercise number 4.5. and what is that? Question number 2 is what? Question number 2 is, our rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Our rhombus, actually rhombus is a figure whose all sides are equal but no angle is of 90 degree. Okay, rhombus is just same as a square, but difference in between the two is 2 only. First one is no angle of 90 degree in a rhombus, in case of a rhombus, but all the angles of 90 degree in case of square, and diagonals are also not equal. Actually in case of square, both the diagonals are equal, but in case of rhombus both the diagonals are not equal. Okay, and in other words, if diagonals of a rhombus are equal, then it will be a square also. Okay, good. So let's move towards a rhombus whose diagonals are, actually this is our rhombus, all sides are equal. Okay, this is our rhombus whose name is what? This is our rhombus whose name is A, B, C and D. This is our rhombus whose name is A, B, C, D, B. This is our B, A, B, C, D, and actually rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2. Okay, first diagonal or the smaller diagonal is 5.2 centimeter and the bigger one is 6.4 centimeter. This is another diagonal which is 6.4 centimeter, which is of 6.4 centimeter. This is one diagonal which is of 5.2 centimeter and this is another diagonal which is of 6.4 centimeter. Okay, long. Now what we'll do is, listen, actually in diagonal, in our rhombus, this is also a property that both the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Okay, so bisect each other means भाई एक दूसरे को इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं ना, बाइसेक्ट मतलब इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. तो दिस पार्ट अगर मैं इस पॉइंट को O मान लूँ, दिस OD विल बी इक्वल्स टू OB and this OA will be equals to OC. Okay, and this angle is of 90 degree. This angle, all the angles of 90 degree. Okay, so what we will do is we will draw, first we will draw what? First we will draw this diagonal which is BD. Okay, and of length 6.4 centimeter. First we will draw this diagonal which is BD and length is this diagonal which is BD and length is 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter and length is 6.4 centimeter. Okay, length is 6.4 centimeter, and now we will bisect this diagonal. What we will do is we will bisect this diagonal from point D. What we will do is we will draw an arc over here and another arc over here. Okay, after that from point D we will do the same, one arc over here, another arc over here. Okay, and we will meet them, we will match up them. Okay, so what we will do is this is our midpoint which is M. Okay, I have already considered this as O, so this is O. Good. Now what we will do is we will make, listen, actually this side we have to draw 5.2 and this okay, whole the diagonal means length or full length of the diagonal AC is 5.2. So it means 5.2 upon 2 means 2 to the 4, after that 2.6. Okay, so 2.6 will be on upper side and 2.6 will be on the lower side. Okay, so 2.6, we will cut an arc of 2.6 on the upper side, this one, and 2.6 over here. Good. This point we have A and the point on the other side is C. We will match up all the points and we will get a quadrilateral. This is our quadrilateral which is AB. This is our quadrilateral AB. This is BC. That was AB. This is BC. Now this is AD. And this is what? CD. Listen. Okay. Now what is that? ABCD is our quadrilateral, required quadrilateral, or required, what is that? ABCD is our required rhombus. Okay, I am just repeating this question, so listen very patiently. ठीक, our rhombus, actually our rhombus rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Got it? 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Good. So what we have to do is long. Now what we will do is we are seeing over here that this is our rhombus. So the diagonals will be intersecting each other at right angles. मीन्स डायगनल्स एक दूसरे को इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं और जो एंगल बना रहे हैं ना वो 90 डिग्री है ना, ये है कहने मतलब। ठीक, तो फर्स्ट वी हैव ड्रॉन द yes of course, first we have drawn the diagonal which is bigger. Okay, the two diagonals are given, the two lengths are given, and the greatest one is 6.4 centimeter. So I have drawn this length which is of 6.4 centimeter. After that I have just bisected over here. Now this point is this point is O. So I have taken distance of 2.6 centimeter on the upper half and 2.6 centimeter on the lower half. Okay, 2.6 on the upper half and 2.6 on the lower half. Now I hope you all got it. This is 2.6, this is again 2.6. Good. So what I have done, I have just drawn BD which is of 6.4 centimeter. After that I have bisected BD. What is the concept of bisecting? I have taken this point as our center and taken the distance just bigger than half of BD. Okay, and this distance was there, and one arc I have drawn over the upper side and another arc on the other side. Okay, and with the same distance I will take D as center and repeat the same process which I have already done with vertex B, and we have matched the two intersection points. Now O is the point of bisection, or O is the midpoint, and after that I have taken 2.6 on the upper half and 2.6 on the lower half. Upper half point is A and the lower half point is C, and I have matched. ABCD is the required rhombus. I hope you all now got it very, very clearly. Okay, and we will take our next question in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.